let's have a look at its features. If you touch it like this, then you will see that this is the time, and here it is the steps you have walked. You can see your heart rate, then this is the distance you traveled, and if when you select it, you'll get here heart rate, then you can measure your oxygen level and your blood pressure. Then we have got this exercise. It has got multiple exercise mode. Like when you touch it, you'll get like if you don't anything, and then it will go start. And if you want to stop it, then you can pause it here and then end. Now it asks, do you want to end exercise? Then you select yes. Then and no data is saved here. Then you can look at this, all the options. This is the workout. Then it will automatically starts. Now same process. If you want to stop it, you can pause it and end it here. Then you can have a look at the cycle or the walk, how much you walk and how much calorie burn. All the things can be measured in this watch. Now if we look at it, then there are some other more options like this. In this settings you get to, like, you can change your wallpaper, you can measure your screen time, and if you want to switch off the watch, you can do it from here. Then if we look at it, then it has also got the stopwatch. Like you can start and then you can continue till you want and then stop, and you can reset it from here, then you can back. Then if you look, then you can see you can control the music as well. Like it is asking please connect Bluetooth to enable music control. You have to connect any of your Bluetooth device, and through that you can play music also. Then it has got alarm. If you want to set alarm, if you set alarm in this watch, you are wearing it, so it will it will make you feel like it's time for you to wake up. Oops. So these are some of its features. And if you look at, if you connect it to your mobile phone, then you will get to know about this, like all your notifications and everything, you can see it here. Now let's have a look at other things as well. We got two straps here if you want to change it. Like this is the black one, and if you want to change it, you can change it to red or your violet. And it has also got the 2-pin magnetic chargers. Like look at this. And this is a USB port. You can connect it to any of your mobile charger, and you can charge the watch, and this is a good thing. Then we have got this you are aware of. Like these are you can see all the features here, like track all the activity. You can see your steps, distance, calories burned, active time. And then you can see your auto sleep tracking, measure temperature. Then throughout the day you can measure your heart beat, and then you can measure your oxygen level, multiple exercise mode, all the things we have seen just right now. It's Goki Smart Vital means this watch. And then activation code, if you look at this, then here you get this activation code, and at the back you get all the details. Then what we have got with it is this, the instruction manual. Here you can see like how to measure heart rate, temperature, and all the other things. It is really very easy. You have to just wear it on your wrist, and it will do it for you automatically. There is no complications, nothing. It is really very good. And the straps are also very soft, like it is very comfortable in wearing, so it is a good thing, and you can purchase it. This watch is known as Goki. I forget to tell its name only. Then this is GOQII Goki Smart Vital, and I have bought this watch for rupees 6,000. and it is very reliable. Like in the range of 6,000 you get all the things, like the 2 straps, magnetic charger. This is you can purchase it. This is a good purchase if you purchase it.